So dark inner thighs, dark armpit, or hyperpigmentation in general can be caused by friction, shaving, hormonal changes, or some other skin conditions. The condition can be a bit embarrassing to some individuals. So today we're looking into how we can possibly and effectively get rid of it.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
Beauty Belsito, glow beyond glamour.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily.
Alright, you're welcome back. I'm not going to beat about the bush. I'm going straight into the video. The first we're going to use is this product, Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. So we have glycolic acid serum and glycolic acid toner. In this video, we're going to talk more about the toner. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% exfoliating toner is a gentle yet effective exfoliating toner designed to refine skin texture and boost radiance. Formulated with 7% glycolic acid and AHA that removes dead skin cells to reveal a brighter, smoother complexion over time. It's enriched with aloe vera, ginseng root, and Tasmanian pepper berry. This glycolic acid toner soothes, it balances the skin while enhancing its natural glow. So this Ordinary Glycolic Acid is a gentle exfoliator, unlike those other peeling products, peeling oils and peeling toners that are very harsh. And when it comes to the percentage, I recommend something between 2 and 10. Okay, so you can do glycolic acid with concentration more than 10%. I'll recommend that you go for the 7%, and that is exactly what this product right here contains. So we are doing the 7% glycolic acid. This is going to give your skin that gentle exfoliation, and you are going to apply this product on the affected area 2 or 3 times weekly. So you don't do more than that. You do 3 or 2 times in a week. If your dark area is your armpit or in between your thighs, you're going to apply it on those areas 3 times a week. Don't do more than that, okay? Because the product is a bit concentrated, so you can 7% is okay. You can use it more than that. You may end up getting irritation, okay? So 7% is okay. You just apply it 3 times a week, and trust me, it's going to lighten the place. It's going to gently exfoliate the area without giving you any irritation or any problem. But then if you overuse it, if you use it every single day, you may even end up worsening your situation. That place may end up getting darker than it used to be. So let's be a bit cautious, okay? Let's be intentional about it. Let's use it 3 times a week, and trust me, you are going to see great result. And make sure you avoid sun exposure, even if the area is hidden, even if you are wearing clothes on the area, whether it's between your thighs, whether it's in your inner thighs or in your armpits, and you are wearing clothes on it, you still have to wear sunscreen before you step out on the sun. I recommend that you use this product at night only, and when stepping out on the sun, you can apply sunscreen. I made a video recommending one sunscreen that you can incorporate in your skincare routine, so you can refer to this video and you will get to know what I'm talking about. Use the sunscreen on daily basis when stepping out on the sun. Now the second product we're going to use is this product. In fact, I have it here, the Kojie Sun soap. This soap is very, very good, and I made a review on this soap some months back. It's very good. You can grab it and apply on the area. Don't underestimate this product. Do not I don't know how to put it, but this soap is magic. This soap, even using this soap alone gives results. So how much more if you are combining it with an effective and potent product like Ordinary Glycolic Acid. So the Ordinary Glycolic Acid is going to serve as an exfoliant, okay? It's going to exfoliate the place mildly, gently, and then you are also going to use this product to gently lighten the skin. This really works. It contains high amount of Kojic acid, and Kojic acid is a byproduct of soy production, or let's say rice product. It's used in the cosmetic industry to lighten dark spot, to fade dark spot, and then reduce melanin. It goes along with, trust me, this is magic in the box. Using this product alone works magic, and how much more if you are combining it with another potent product like the ordinary glycolic acid toner. So we are going to combine these two. You are going to apply this product on your armpits. You just wet your armpits and apply the product thoroughly in your armpit and wait for about 15 minutes before you wash off. So if your dark area is in between your thighs, you can apply it over there, wet the area and apply it over there, deeply massage into the skin so it's completely absorbed, and then you wait for 15 minutes before taking your shower. So after shower, you just have to moisturize the place very well and you are good to go. Then in the night, you can use the ordinary glycolic acid. Now this goes to those who have a very tougher skin that nothing works for them. Their skin is just stubborn, their skin is just hard. You need a mild body scrub. So if you're using an exfoliant, a chemical exfoliant like lactic acid, citric acid, glycolic acid, I would advise that you do not exfoliate your skin. You don't scrub your skin. But then in this situation, if your skin is very hard, if your skin, the texture of your skin is very hard, it's very stubborn and nothing easily works for it, then I'll recommend that you incorporate body scrub into this routine. Okay, so we are going to use the most, or let me say the mildest body scrubs I've ever come across. That is the cool spa salt. So you either go for the goat milk one, this one, or this very one, the rose one. The reason I'm not recommending the turmeric is that the granules are a bit larger, and larger granules are a bit abrasive on the skin. Already you are gently exfoliating the area, so there won't be any need for you to apply abrasive products on the area. You are going to irritate the area. Okay, so we can still do some gentle scrubbing, gentle exfoliation, gentle scrubbing to aid the process, to fasten the process. And that is why I'm recommending the cool spa salt, and I'm not recommending the other extract. Yeah, because they do not have finer granules. These two have finer granules and they are so gentle. You apply them on your skin and you don't even feel like you're applying anything on your skin. It's so mild. That is all I can say. It's so mild and gentle on the skin, unlike the Yoko spa salt and some other salt like the Kojic scrubs and other scrubs. This is more gentle on the skin. So you can go for these two scrubs. That is only when your skin is tough. But if you have a more sensitive skin, just do the ordinary glycolic acid toner and do the Kojic acid soap. And gradually, this is not going to give you a fast action result. This is going to take its time to lighten the area. Before you know, you are no longer seeing those dark inner thighs. And then also minimize wearing tight clothes over there. So if you are always wearing tight clothes, the friction alone can make the product not work. It can make the situation worse. So you minimize wearing tight clothes. And also one thing that the glycolic acid does, the ordinary glycolic acid does, that I noticed not long ago, is that it gets rid of bad odor in the armpit. If you use it in your armpit, okay, it's not going to prevent if you're someone who sweats a lot, it's not going to prevent the sweat, but then you may sweat, all right, but that sweat is not going to produce any bad smell or foul smell. So that is one thing that the ordinary glycolic acid does that a lot of people do not know. It's get rid of bad smell. So whilst it's lightening the area, it's exfoliating the area gently, at the same time it's also working on eliminating any odor, bad smell over there. So it's like it's giving you a double dose, it's giving you double treatment, it's giving you everything. With just these two products, you are going to see results. I mean, visible results in a few weeks. Give yourself up to 4 weeks, okay? Let's say 1 month, 4 weeks, or 6 weeks. 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. Trust me, you are going to see maximum result, visible result. So try and incorporate this. Just give it a try. If you have used any of these products before to lighten your dark inner thighs or dark armpit, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.